welcome back to my channel. With us, the family Indonesia di Belanda. So, today my husband told me that he wants to cook on my cooking channel. So,
today I want to share with you a family recipe.
Okay, what is your family recipe?
My family recipe, we call it Vogelnestjes, which is translated to bird nest.
Oke, jadi kuenya itu kue sarang burung.
Ini adalah resep keluarga saya.
Oke.
So, me and my brothers biasanya bikin kue ini together with my nenek.
Oh, nice. So usually you bake this cake in the Easter day together with your grandma and your brothers.
And my brothers and my parents if they want to help.
Okay, nice.
But it's not a cake. It's a bird's nest.
It's a cookies. It's a cookie.
So, what do we need?
Okay,
What do we need? It's
Okay.
actually very simple. We need M&M's.
Okay.
M&M's, the chocolate ones.
Oh, okay. Jadi kita perlu coklat M&M
Indeed.
yang tanpa kacang ya, yang coklat aja. And then?
And we will need what we call the Marie biscuit.
Oh, okay.
Do you have them in England?
Yeah, actually we do. Yeah, it's very easy to get.
Okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be from a special brand, just the most simple ones you can find is perfect.
Okay, so
Marie.
biscuit Mary.
Indeed.
And then?
We will need a little bit of sugar, a little bit of butter, and something what we call vanilla sugar.
Oh yeah, we also have this. So we also need this vanilla. Okay.
So, the rest of the recipes and the amounts we'll put on in the video later.
No. Here in Indonesia we call it vanilli, right? So yeah, kita butuh vanilli.
Okay.
Nice.
Indeed. So, this was actually everything we need.
Okay.
The first thing we need to do, and that's the fun part, the M&M's, they come in 5 different colors. Do
Okay.
you know which colors?
I have no idea.
No? Well, that doesn't really matter. We have to separate them.
Why do we have to separate M&M?
I will show you later on. So, you take the entire bag,
Okay.
put it on a plate, and we start separating color by color into the small balls.
Oke. Jadi pertama kita harus pisahkan coklat M&M-nya sesuai dengan warnanya masing-masing. Jadi merah-merah, biru-biru, hijau-hijau, kuning-kuning, dan seterusnya.
So, one thing very important,
What is that?
something my grandma told me and she really insisted on it. You can only eat the brown ones because we will need the rest for the bird's nest.
Oke. Interesting.
Yeah. You could also just help me and then eat afterwards.
But it's your cooking show
Oh, it's my
today.
cooking show. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll be finished in it.
Today is my day off, so he's going to do the job.
Oh, really? So first we need to make the sugar. So we need 150 grams of crystal sugar. You will need 1 bag of vanilla sugar. 1 bag is about 8 grams. And we will also need about 1 glass of water. So, when you finish with your sugar syrup, first thing you need to do is to make a cup of coffee. Just 1 strong cup of coffee because it needs to cool down. And then you put it aside, either in the fridge or room temperature is fine. Next one, you take butter. 200 grams of butter. And you use your mixer to mix this to make it nice and creamy. So, I already have a mixer. First I need some protection. So I got my wife's amazing, how do you call this, apron?
Apron?
And that's cool. nice and creamy, you can continue with the next step. That will be to very slowly start mixing in the sugar syrup you created. Now the coffee is nice and cool. We're going to very slowly mix it in with our mixture of the butter and the sugar syrup. A little bit more coffee. We are going to put a little part of this aside. I would say about 1/3 of it. And 2/3 of it will go into one of those
Piping bags.
dosing bags, whatever you would like to call them.
Do you know what's the name before?
Yeah, a dosing bag. So, this is the part where the family comes in. What we're going to do first, so we're going to take 2 cookies, and to the one of them, to the top one, we're going to apply some of the butter you made before. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just spread it out on top of the cookie. The second cookie goes on top, and you can kind of like push them together a little bit. And we're going to add some butter to the top of this cookie as well. Alright. The next part is where the piping bag comes in. So, as like a bird's nest, we're going to make a circle on the outside of the cookies. Like this. The next thing you need is some chocolate sprinkles, preferably if you have the pure ones, because in the Netherlands we have multiple kinds. And you're going to add the chocolate sprinkles just on top of. Can be enough, can be too much, it's fine, because you're just going to dust it off. And you can add a little bit to the sides as well if you want to. So, the last part is we go back to our previously sorted M&Ms and we put them just like a bird's nest on top of the een paaseitje. This is what we call a paaseitje. This is the part where we used to make it like a family. The first person put the cream on top of the cookies, the next one used the dosing bag to put it around, he gave it through to the next one who put the chocolate sprinkles, and the last one put all of the M&Ms, the Easter eggs, into the nest. So, thank you guys for watching, and it's a very fun thing to do with kids.